Hi, I'm Rafa. Today, in almost a minute, I'm going to tell you about an industry that has moved from the shadow to the spotlight, semiconductors. In the past 3 years, there have been shortages of chips globally with far-reaching consequences in several industries, from car makers to electronics or defense, and for our computers, cars or alarms. That's why several major economies are ramping up their production capabilities. In the US alone, in the next 5 years, companies in advanced industries are going to spend over $200 billion to build or expand semiconductor plants and scale up production and time to market. So, let's look at some of the key success factors here. First, addressing the construction industry's shortage of skilled workers with experience in plant construction. And the fact that on average, only 30% of the time of a construction worker is spent doing effective work. That's far less than in other industries. Among the solutions, developing off-site and modular construction for more productivity and predictability, and redeploying labor by using other technologies, such as digital production control or digital twins. These solutions increase time on tools by putting the right information, materials, and tools in the right hands when they're needed. They also reduce rework and therefore costs and delays. Now the second factor. We are talking about highly complex facilities. Their construction or expansion are major projects with all of the pitfalls associated with them. Having a new plant ready to operate can be a 5-year effort with a $10 billion budget. That's why optimizing the plant design journey with fully integrated and specialized solutions to streamline data flows is paramount. And that's where Hexagon solutions are unique. We offer a comprehensive digital platform that covers the entire life cycle of advanced manufacturing facilities, from engineering solutions, design, and procurement to construction planning, materials management, project performance and controls, and plant information management for a smooth handover to operations. This helps ensure reliable operation, optimize performance, and identify and address delays and bottlenecks quickly. The result, faster time to the first dollar. Faster time to production is the real prize in these projects. With some of these plants producing over $50 million a day, a schedule reduction of just a few weeks can make a big difference in the asset's returns and the customer's bottom line. Did you learn something today? Tell us in the comments, and I'm going to see you soon for the next episode.